Assalamu alaikum. This is Narawala and you're watching me on Naraw Literary Society. Friends, in today's video, I will unbox a parcel that I recently ordered, and these books are about Kashmir history. And as per my perception, if a person calls himself a Kashmiri and not have read even a single book about Kashmir, he should not call himself a Kashmiri. So here we go. One of my friend from Bandipora, and his name is Samirul Haq. He has recently established a bookshop. The name of that bookshop is Waller Publications, and he used to send me the most rare books about Kashmir. And here is today's parcel. I will open up now it. So here is the treasure. What is inside this treasure box? I will show you. These are some important books about Kashmir. The first one, here we go, is Kashmir under the Sultans. And this book has been written by Mohibul Hassan. And one of my friend, a historian and archaeologist, Bilal Loon, has recommended this book to me some couple of weeks ago. And today I brought this book. And the cost of this book is some $750. You can order it online. Another book is, the name of this book is Tareekh Hassan, most acclaimed book by the researchers. This is Tareekh Hassan Jalad Aul, Kashmir ka Geographia, the Geography of Kashmir. This is the volume 1. And this book has been written by Peer Ghulam Hassan Khoyami. And the translation of this book is done by Professor Dr. Sharif Hussain Kasmi. There are 2 more volumes of this book. Another one is Tareekh Hassan Jalad Aul, Kashmir ki Siyasi Tareekh, from the same author and from the same translator. This is the political history of Kashmir. Another one is the 3rd edition, 3rd volume actually, and this is Tareekh Hassan Tazkira Awliya Kashmir, the Sufi saints from Kashmir. Mawsoom ba Asrarul Akhyar, as Peer Ghulam Hassan Shah Khoyami, Urdu Tarjuma Professor Dr. Sharif Hussain Kasmi. So the publisher of this book is Ghulam Muhammad and Sons, and this publishing house is in Srinagar. I have many more books added in my library, some last couple of years. I will open up this book now, and these books I am adding in my library collection today. These books are for reading the history of Kashmir, and very well-known book, renowned book, and referenced by the scholars. And the maximum retail price of these 3 books is some $3,000. And he gave me these books in only 2,400 rupees, 600 rupees discount. Hardbound book. Another one is Kashmir under the Sultans by Mohibul Hassan. This is the first time I'm reading this book. Kashmir under the Sultans begins with the foundation of the Sultanate and ends with the conquest of Kashmir by Akbar. Its chief merit lies in encapsulating such political, social, economic, and cultural activities of the period that exercised an indelible influence on the valley. I can go to the contents of this book. It is Geography of Kashmir, Foundation of Sultanate, Sultan Shamsuddin and his successors, Zainul Abidin the Great, dynastic troubles and rebellions, Mirza Hyder Duglat and his conquest of Kashmir, end of Shamiri dynasty and the Chak dynasty, Yusuf Shah and Akbar, fall of Sultanate, the administrative system, social and economic conditions, cultural activities, conclusion. These are the contents of this book. This is very important. And this book has also been published by the same publisher, Ali Muhammad and Sons. This is also hardbound book. In this, and if you want to purchase this kind of books about Kashmir history, you can call on this number 700-603-1782. Once again, I will repeat the number for you: 700-603-1782. You can call this number or call on this number, or simply drop a message on WhatsApp. He will definitely give you huge discounts on the books what you taste. Thank you for watching me. Thank you.